Hi, I'm Eva Van Anglen. I'm a technical education specialist at Aveda. I'm here to answer your questions about hair care. How do you repair hair damage? Hair damage occurs when you overdo things to your hair, so being mindful of the things that you do every single day. But the two main culprits are going to be chemicals and hot tools. We tend to overstress the front part of our hair because it's most easily accessible when we're blow drying or styling. When I think of damaged hair, the first thing that comes to mind is the Aveda Damage Remedy product line. My favorite product is Daily Hair Repair. It repairs breakage, you see it work instantly, and it just makes the hair feel so silky and smooth. When your hair is damaged, one thing that you'll notice is it starts to tangle more easily or frizz up, and that's due to the open cuticle. So what you don't want to do is overcomb the hair or create more stress and breakage. The restructuring shampoo, conditioner, and treatment are amazing to avoid damage, and I love the split end repair. We also offer in-salon botanical therapy treatments for hair and scalp, which are an essential part to maintaining healthy hair. Damage Remedy is the perfect solution to dry and damaged hair, so visit your local Aveda salon or aveda.com to learn more.